See, now we have a structure, the same structure, and for this structure I am creating a pointer variable. Okay, that is A. For now, A, how much memory will be allocated?
4.
A, 4 bytes. Sure? Yeah, you are right. So it is allocated as we already discussed, irrespective of what is the data type. Pointer mean it is a 4 byte. Okay. Now for this 4 byte memory is allocated. And now you want to store the roll number and then one student details you want to get it. To store one student details, can I directly store it? You have only 4 bytes of memory, but you need to store, but that 4 byte of memory also it is like a can store some address. Got it, right?
You can store the starting address of students.
Okay. So what else we have to do here before storing the student details?
A equal to address of.
A equal to
First we have to create the structure variable.
sorry. First we have to declare some.
Structure variable.
Okay. Start. Student.
Yes.
Okay. X or S. Okay.
Is equal to address of X.
So now in A, what you are trying to store?
Address of X.
Address of X. Then it is possible. Okay, let's see how the memory is allocated. So for X, how much memory is allocated? 4, 1, 4. This is your X memory. And for A, how much memory is allocated? 4 bytes of memory is allocated. Okay. Let's assume this address is like a 5000, 5004, 5005. And this 6000. Got it? Now, ampersand X you are assigning in A. So it means what will be assigned? 5000 assigned in? Got it? And now you try to store the values. How to store the values? A dot roll number equal to, okay, let's take a roll number is 10. Is this okay? A is what? A is not a normal variable. Correct, right? A is a pointer variable.
Story.
So you have to use a star. But here, if you consider star and a dot, which is high precedence? Dot or star? Dot. So then what you have to do? You have to use this way. Star A bracket and then dot roll number. Keep remember, A is not a normal variable. If it is a normal variable, you can use just A dot roll number, A dot average, A dot section. But A is like a pointer variable. So pointer variable, like how you can access it or how you can store something into it is like you have to use this brackets and you have to use the star. See the bracket we are using, why? Because it is not the purpose. Here compared with this dot and the star, the high precedence is a dot. So instead of like the first dereferencing will happen, A dot roll number, after that whole star will happen. So that should not happen. So first like it should happen like this. First star A should happen, after that the dot roll number. Okay. Then same way you are assigning the section. Star A whole bracket dot section is equal to A section. Star A whole bracket dot average is equal to 95.50. So like this you need to assign it. While printing also you need to print a printf percentage d percentage c percentage f a comma okay. But one thing is like the people felt like it is a little odd. They felt like it is going too complex because we have to use a dot operator, we have to use the star, we have to use the bracket. So instead of using like this, see what you can do is you can use a arrow roll number is equal to 10. See, instead of using all these three, that is star, bracket, dot, instead of all these three, you can simply use the arrow operator. So, a arrow roll number. Here, next, a arrow section, a arrow average. While printing also, you can use the same thing. But one thing you need to keep remember, so whenever you are using arrow operator means you have to make sure that the left side one is a structure pointer. Correct, right? Structure pointer. The left side one, it is must that like it should be a structure pointer, then only you have to use the arrow operator. Otherwise, like simply you should not try to use the arrow operator. If the left side one is like a structure variable like x, you have to use a dot operator. The left side one is like a pointer variable, then you use a arrow operator. So likewise everywhere like you can use the same thing. A arrow roll number, comma, a arrow section, comma, a arrow average. That's all. Clear, right? Yeah.